Okay, so this is HeadshotTheatre, and this is another tutorial on how to do something like this. Okay, so what you saw there is what I call a color explosion, where the color is supposed to cover the screen, comes out of the gun when you shoot. That was on an otherwise black and white background. So this effect is done in Sony Vegas Pro 8, not Sony Vegas 8, to make that clear. And so here is the footage I have, around the same footage that I had in the one I just showed you. And the first thing to do is to copy this, copy the clip you have in the timeline, and then insert a video track, paste it, drag it over your other video, and then go to group, remove from, delete that sound under it. You should be able to know that if you're doing this tutorial. And delete that soundtrack. And then you want to insert another video track in between both videos, for both clips. Then you go to media generators, go to test pattern, go to gradient, and drag that in between. Gradient there. Put that to size, go to video compositing mode, and then go to overlay. So right now it doesn't do anything because this one's on top, so if you mute that, you'll see that that's colorful and everything. I'll just turn the opaquity down. Looks a bit better. There. Okay. Next thing to do is to make that beginning part black and white to give a better effect. Go to video effects, black and white, go to 100% black and white, drag it on the layer. There you go, black and white. So that's basically the beginning you need, first part. Next thing to do is to make it look like it's coming out. You want to go to Event Pan Crop, turn on the mask. You need the Pro 8 version to do that. And then drag this bar, or this little thingy, to when you shoot and kill the guy. Or whatever happens, I don't know. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's right here. Yep. I'll just move back frames by hitting the left arrow key to find the part where he shoots. Yeah, so it's right here. So this is right before he shoots, and I'll make a keyframe, which is right down here. Next frame, take this tool, anchor creation tool, and go around the muzzle flash. I'll just do this. This is gonna be a quick, crabby version just to show you because I don't have that much time. Okay, there's the first one. Then you want to go to mode, change it to negative, which is up here. Damn it. And then go to feather type out, turn the feather type, put it up a bit to make it look a lot nicer. Then you want to click on this and go to next frame, then make a new, bigger mask around it. There we go. Want to change the mode to negative once again, change the feather type to out, put this up a bit to make it look a bit smoother, and then basically just keep repeating that every frame. The more times you do it, the closer in you do it, the more smooth it's going to look. I'm just going to do this really quick. Might even speed this up a bit. You got the basic idea right now. By the way, I'm changing frames, or moving one frame over by hitting the right arrow key. Okay, so I just did the last mask there, and you have to make sure it completely covers the whole screen, so it makes it that footage is under it, like this colored footage. So now you see that it's all keyframed and everything. It's all messed up here. I'm gonna just quit out of this. If you go to the beginning of your footage and play, and there you go. It's kind of laggy because it's intense effect, and that's pretty much it. You can add color correction and stuff like that to make it look better, but that's just the basics. You can do a lot more things with it. Other than that, you can put different effects to make different things happen. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and yeah.